Top 75 MCQs for Applied Mathematics Class 12. An observed set of the population that has been selected for analysis is called option A, forecast, option B, sample, C, process, D, parameter. Correct answer is sample. An observed set of the population has been selected. Analysis is called sample. A sample is a small part of the whole information. A grain wholesaler visit the granary market. While going around to make a good purchase, he takes a handful of rice from random sacks of rice in order to inspect the quality farmers produce. The handful rice taken from sack of rice for quality inspection is a dash. Option A, statistic. Option B, sample. C, parameter. D, population. Answer is sample. Standard deviation of a sample from a population is called option A, statistic. Option B, parameter. Option C, standard error. Option D, central limit. Answer is statistic. If we reject a null hypothesis, we might be making option A, type 2 error. Option B, type 1 error. Option C, correct decision. Option D, wrong decision. So we reject null hypothesis. That means we are making type 1 error. Which of the following is a branch of statistic? Both descriptive and inferential statistics. Option B, inferential statistics. Option C, industrial statistics. D, descriptive statistic. Both descriptive and inferential statistics are the branches of statistics. Which of the following symbols represent a population parameter? Option A, gamma. Option B, O. Option C, rho. Option D, SD. So rho is a symbol that represent population parameter. A sampling distribution might be based on which of the following? Option A, sample means. B, sample proportions. C, sample correlation. All of this. All of this is correct answer. Which of the following is an assumption underlying to use t-distribution? Sample size are drawn from normally. Sample standard deviation, unbiased estimate of the population variance. Option C, all of these. Option D, variance of population is known. The correct answer is option A. Sample size are drawn from normally distributed population. What is the standard deviation of sampling distribution is called? Simple error, sampling error, sample error, fourth option, standard error. Standard error is correct answer. A machine makes car wheels and in random sample of 26 wheels, test static is found to be 3.07. As per t-distribution test, 5% level of significance. What can you say about the quality of wheels produced by the machine? T25 of 0.05 equal to 2.06. Option A, different quality. B, inferior quality. C, same quality. Superior quality. Correct answer, inferior quality. So n value is 26, t value is 3.07. Degree of freedom is n minus 1, which is 25. Level of significance is 5%, that means 0.05. And T25 of 0.05 was 2.06, it is given. T value 3.07 is more than 2.06. So that means wheels producer machine are inferior quality.